Welcome back, Chiro, and I need to stop you before you get on that bike again. Because chances are, you're making at least one of these 7 mistakes right now.
Every single ride. And you don't even know it's happening.
These habits quietly wreck your comfort, your speed, and your progress.
One version of you is stuck, the other is flying. Let's fix that.
Habit number 1 starts with something you're probably doing right now. Osel, your posture. This is what most riders look like after 10 minutes dough. And it's a problem.
Slouching crushes your lungs and starves your legs of oxygen.
Your body feels it first. Wow, tight neck, sore lower back, shallow breathing. And over weeks, that pain adds up until you dread getting on the bike.
Here's the fix. Chest proud, shoulders relaxed, core gently braced.
Your hands should rest on the bars, not white-knuckle them.
One posture drains you. The other powers you. Choose wisely.
Fix your posture, and habit 1 is already behind you. Habit 2 is even sneakier. Boom, mashing the pedals like it's a leg press.
Low cadence loads your knees with force they were never built for.
Most beginners ride at half the cadence their body actually wants.
The fix is simple. Lighter resistance, quicker, smoother pedal strokes.
Aim for a light, circular spin and hand, not a heavy stomp.
Your knees will thank you, and your endurance will thank you more.
Habit 3, stow. Always riding on the hardest setting. Thinking harder means better.
But maxed out resistance kills your form within minutes.
Your technique breaks down, and that's when injuries creep in.
The goal isn't maximum difficulty, it's sustainable intensity. Find a resistance where you can still hold a full sentence while riding.
That's the sweet spot where real progress actually happens.
Habit 4, Te. Only drinking water once you're already exhausted. By the time you feel thirsty, your performance has already dropped.
Even mild dehydration can slash your endurance by a huge margin.
The fix CAD. Sip small amounts every 10 to 15 minutes before you're thirsty. Small, consistent sips keep your energy steady the whole ride. Stay ahead of thirst, and you'll stay ahead of everyone else. Habit 5, tangy. Going all out in the first 2 minutes. It feels powerful tan until your body sends the bill.
By minute 5, you're crawling instead of riding. You burned your best energy before the ride even really started.
The fixed etape. Start controlled, build gradually, save your best for the finish. Pace yourself like a story. Pace style, a strong beginning and an even stronger ending.
Never adjusting your seat height to fit your body.
A seat that's too low or too high quietly damages your knees over time. It also wastes your power with every single pedal stroke.
The fixed toud. Set your seat so your knee has a slight bend at the bottom stroke.
2 minutes of adjustment saves you months of unnecessary pain.
Habit 7, basin. Breathing shallow and forgetting to actually recover.
Shallow breathing starves your muscles of the oxygen they need most. Always remember to take deep, full breaths. And skipping recovery windows means you never truly reset. The fixed main. Deep belly breaths, in through the nose, out through the mouth.
Build in short, easy intervals. Retrain. Recovery is where real progress happens.
Master your breath, and you master the entire ride.
Let's lock these 7 fixes into your memory right now.
1 Ganfrey. Sit tall, shoulders back, chest open. 2 Right. Spin light and fast instead of mashing heavy.
3 km. Moderate resistance, sustainable effort.
4 Cano. Sip early, sip often, before thirst hits.
5 Pansy. Start controlled, finish strong.
6 Prow. Set your seat height to protect your knees.
7 Breathe deep, recover often. 7 small fixes. 1 completely different ride.
Picture this, Talide. Every ride feeling smoother, stronger, easier. No more dreading the bike. Just progress you can actually feel.
That's the difference 7 small changes can make.
And it starts with your very next ride.
Which habit are you fixing first? Tell me in the comments.
Hit subscribe if you want more simple fixes like this every week. Small changes, big results, Kappa. That's what this channel is all about.
Now go apply these 7 fixes on your very next ride. Because the best version of your ride is 1 fix away.
This is what riding smarter looks like.
Smarter, not just harder, Dow. That's the real secret. Thanks for riding this one out with me.
Check the video right here for your next big improvement.
See you in the next one. Until then, Toe, ride smart, ride strong.
Subscribe now. Your best ride is waiting.